morning from Disney's Contemporary Resort. This morning I'm going to be dining at the new restaurant Steakhouse 71 here at the Contemporary. This used to be where the Wave used to be, but now it is Steakhouse 71. I'm really looking forward to trying the breakfast. I'm going to be coming back later this week for lunch, so look out for that review. But let's get in there, let's get some breakfast, and let's go get into some hijinks. When you first walk in, there are all these amazing old photos of Walt and building of Disney World. You have some of the Contemporary over here. Definitely check them all out. They're so cool to see. There's even a giant Magic Kingdom photo at the end. This is so lovely. Here's where you check in after you get your notification that your table is ready. Behind here is the bar, because you can come and kind of hang out here as like a bar lounge area. Obviously it's closed right now for breakfast. There's this a lot of great seating over here. There was additional behind the bar. They even have a TV. There's this great painting on the wall, and another one over on an opposite wall of the People Mover and Tomorrowland. Just sat down. I love the renovation in here. The lighting is so great. I love all of these murals. They're like dedicated and inspired by Mary Blair, the artist that did Small World. You can see a lot of her stuff around the Contemporary. If you look by the big wall by the monorail, that's all Mary Blair. They gave us a QR code menu. I'm really happy to say that the entire staff of the Wave, including all the chefs and everyone, are still here, so everything is, the same that way. This is not a prefix breakfast like a lot of breakfasts in Disney World. This is a la carte. There's a lot of specialty items on this menu, and I'm excited to try some. I'm happy to announce that I finally got some coffee after over 24 hours without it. They serve Joffrey's cold brew here. They serve Joffrey's hot coffee here as well. But here is the star. This is being offered at a bunch of different resorts. The Souvenir Cup with this cute little Mickey character. There's different characters, but basically what this is in the cup you have Minute Maid lemonade, and then the characters are this fruity strawberry, almost like a bath bomb, but obviously that you would drink, and they come in different characters. And over here at Steakhouse, it's Mickey. So you can have him like sit on the cup and then tip him in for the bath bomb part. Let's do it. Ooh. That's beautiful. Yeah, you gotta really mix it. Oh my gosh, it's literally iridescent. That is amazing. That is beautiful. I'm kind of obsessed with this. I don't want to drink it. This is too pretty. This is so stunning. This is so cool. I love how they did this. This is absolutely great and amazing. Perfect theming that goes with the 50th. Okay, it's beautiful, right? But how does it taste? Ooh, I love that. That is nice, basically like a strawberry lemonade, super tart. I mean, it's just literally Minute Maid lemonade with some strawberry in it, but it's very good, and I love the cup, and it just looks so pretty. It's so pretty. Our breakfast has arrived. Over here on the left is the Walt's prime rib hash. It's seared prime rib, fried potatoes, peppers, onions, topped with a fried egg. It looks awesome. And then on my right, it's the seasonal pancakes, and it's pumpkin spice right now. It comes with either bacon sausage or chicken sausage and maple syrup. It's topped with a cream cheese drizzle and pecans or pecans, however you like to say it, and they look amazing. Let's dig into breakfast. All right, let's see this. Ooh, boy. Oh, that looks great. Let's dig in. Grabbing a little bit of everything. Oh my god, that is so delicious. There is so much really good flavor in this. That meat is so good. The steak on its own has so much flavor. It's so soft. And then the runny egg with it actually is so good. I did not expect this to be this good. It was just like, it's just steak and eggs. This is really, really good steak and eggs. Potatoes are really nice. It's got some, the peppers and onions in there make it really good as well. Overall, this is a really, really, really good dish. That steak is where it's at. That is delicious. 10 out of 10 recommend. Oh my god, this is really good. Oh, that's what it is. The peppers are extending that flavor. It is so good. I love this. This is really good. I will only tell you if something is really good. If you are new here, I am very honest, especially in my food reviews. This is really good. This is delicious. My only complaint is that I wish there was more steak in here. It's definitely more potato than steak, but it's incredibly tasty. I am so hyped for pumpkin pancakes because this is my time of year. This is my time of year to be basic, and I am going in all in for it. This is so good. If you don't like pumpkin, you're not gonna like this. But I love pumpkin. This is my favorite time of year. And that is so good. And they're still, like, they're warm. There's like the cream cheese icing on top is so good, and the crunch from the pecans. Can you tell me in the comments how you say pecans or pecans? And just write pecans so that we can try to figure it out together. Or pecans. See, now you don't even know what I'm saying. This is so good. Because of the seasonings on the pancakes, and because it's like a cream cheese icing, it kind of reminds me of like a cinnamon roll, but with like some pumpkin flavors in it. I really like it. I didn't actually put any of the maple syrup on because I wanted to try it on its own. I actually really like it with the maple syrup, but both are good either way. This is really, really tasty. We ended up getting sausage. You do get a choice. We didn't get a choice. They just kind of gave us sausage, which is fine. If we really wanted something else, we would have had something else. No problem. Everybody here is like super nice and super helpful. It's a good breakfast sausage right there. That is good. I'm honestly very impressed. Again, if you know my reviews, I'm always very critical, but honestly, these two dishes are so delicious. Joffrey's Coffrey. The Joffrey's Coffrey is always a banger. I feel like a person again, and this is overall a really great breakfast. I really love the new look to this place. So I think this is a really good time. You can come here, make a reservation for breakfast. You can walk to the Magic Kingdom. If you're driving, you can even leave your car here all day. It's great, and you are getting a really good meal. So, like, for me, like, if it was me choosing between, like, this or Chef Mickey's, which is the character dining here, for breakfast, I would choose this. As much as I love the characters, like, the food there is, I mean, you can't even compare the food, but this food is really, really good. I'm having a really good time. I can't recommend the two items that I got more. And again, the entire staff here has been super kind, and overall, really great morning here at Steakhouse 71. Here's our bill for 2 people for breakfast here. It's $48.99 for 2 entrees and 2 drinks. This is before our 10% annual pass discount. You can also do DVC discount here. It's definitely the hash is expensive, but it's steak. I honestly didn't think it was, that overpriced here at all, because if you consider a lot of the breakfast options here at Disney, especially like the prefix ones, they're like $25, $30 a person, and it's just basic like breakfast food, like Mickey waffles and bacon and eggs, and this dish was absolutely delicious. The pancakes were so good. We're going to take the rest home, and for me, like, I love breakfast, so I don't mind, getting something I really like. But let me know if this is too expensive for you, or if you would rather, spend your breakfast here, and then maybe do smaller meals later. I always find it interesting of how people dine, because everyone likes to dine differently. But overall, really great time here for breakfast. Well, my dudes, that was breakfast here at the new Steakhouse 71 at the Contemporary Resort. I had a great time. I thought the food was delicious. It's really making me look forward to when I come back later this week for lunch. Make sure to look out for that review. I feel very hopeful that steak was very good, and that was breakfast steak. So I'm hoping that lunch steak is just as good or better. Should be better, because this is breakfast steak. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your bell notifications so you don't miss anything that comes on this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. Make sure to check out my Patreon for exclusive and bonus content. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.